Hello everyone who is watching this video today. Here I have two Lexivon camping axes to review. We're going to do a little bit of a comparison video because while these two may look very similar in nature, they do have their differences. Alrighty, so we are now outside in the elements. Here are these two outside of the box. We have the V10 on this side, the V9 on this side. The differences that you can see between them, outside the obvious being the length, which I didn't know an inch would have so much impact, but it does. The V10 feels better. It's got a textured grip as well, which allows it to stick in your hand quite a bit better. Unlike this one, it has a little bit of plastic texturing. Don't know if you can see that there, but it doesn't do too much when it comes to how it feels in the hand. So without further ado, let's get on to the fun part of the video, which is chopping stuff up with these bad boys. Alrighty, so first up, we have the V9. Shorter blade, shorter handle, less grip, but we're gonna see how this works. We're gonna start with a small piece of wood, we're gonna go on to a medium piece of wood, and then finally a larger piece of wood. Like butter. Onto that medium piece of wood here. Alright. A little bit more trouble, still split it, there we go. And let's see how we do against Chunky over here. Woo! That's a pretty solid little hiking axe. Time for the V10. Here's that version 10 for y'all, with that grippier grip and that lengthier blade and handle. Let's see what it's got. Come on. Oh, beautiful. Woo! Oh yeah, that's some good stuff. Woo! That split it. There we go. Yeah! I gotta be honest, in terms of performance, both of these axes did incredibly well, far exceeding my expectations. Genuinely, as far as how tough they are, they took a beating, as you could see in that review. Here is another little feature I forgot to mention earlier. They do come with some blade covers for you as well, but overall both of these would be great for any hiking trip, any camping experience. Of course, they're not going to be better than a longer, wider axe that's really meant for some heavy wood chopping, but as far as something to be convenient and also light and sharp and kind of get the job done for just a generalized cutting of wood, you know, for a fire or whatever you need it for, these two, they're bomb.